Hey guys, it's Brantley here, and thanks for checking out my last video, but let's get started in the video. Let's go! And today we're gonna make some oozing eyeball, the best thing for breakfast on the planet. But to get started, we need a toast, and you might want to make a circle in it because we're gonna crack an egg in it, and then we're gonna touch it. But then this is an example right here. We cut it, but then you're supposed to push down and go like that, and then still pushing, and then when it's like you can kind of push it, they rip it off after when you're done, and then there. And now we're gonna place these on the pan, and now turn this on medium heat, and then we're probably gonna cook these after, and then pour in the egg in one, and then pour in the other egg on the other one. And if you guys like to add seasoning, I like to add fajita seasoning, and it's so good. It's like salt and pepper together. There. And now we can cook these, but there might not be that much room. But then see you guys after when I flip them. Hey guys, I think it's almost ready to flip. And I'm gonna flip it right now. This is how it looks before I flip it. And that's how it looks after. Second one. There. And now I think we have to flip these now. These can still take like 2 more minutes to cook, but then these like 3 more minutes, and on the first side it took like 5 minutes. Hey guys, but this is how I like my toast and my eggs cooked together, but you guys can cook how much you guys like them, but I think they're ready to get them on and do the best part, eat them. These can come off, I think. Yeah, they can come off. And now to turn off the stove. If you guys like my video, like and subscribe, and let's get in the best part. 10 out of 10 for sure.